step it out. Hi! We have so many things to do, but there are too many steps to remember. We need your help to step it out.
Yeah, list out what you want us to do first. Then second, then next, and next, and next.
Until all the steps are in an order that works.
There are different ways to step it out. See if you can find them all.
Tap here to play.
What should we do? Make a sandwich.
Build a sandcastle.
Serve Snout a snack.
Get ready to swim. Build a sandcastle. How do we build a sandcastle? Time to step it out. Here are all the different steps we have to do to build our sandcastle. Put them in the order you want me to follow. Add a flag. Dump a big bucket of sand. Dump a small bucket of sand. Pour a bucket of water for the moat. Dig a moat. Tap the play button to see me do the steps in this order. If you want to change the order, just move the steps around. Step 1. Step 2. Oh! Step 3. Eek! Step 4. Step 5. Oh no! The sandcastle fell down! Can you check your steps? Step 1. Yay! Step 2. Woohoo! Step 3. Step 4. Eek! Step 5. Oh no, the sandcastle turned to mush. Time to fix the problem. Let's check our steps one at a time. First, we dumped a big bucket of sand. Yay! Then we dumped a small bucket of sand. Woohoo! Then we added a flag. Then we poured a bucket of water for the moat. Oops! You need to dig the moat before this step. Can you fix it? Fantastic! When you're ready to test the steps in this order, tap the play button. Step 1. Yeah! Step 2. Yay! Step 3. Oh! Step 4. Woohoo! Step 5. Yeah, you stepped it out. I love the sandcastle you built. That's one way to do it. But there's not just one way to build a sandcastle. Play again to find a different way to step it out. Or step out other things we like to do. Step 1. Step 2. Yeah! Step 3. Eek! Step 4. Step 5. Uh-oh, the flag is covered in sand. Can you check your steps? Step 1. Yay! Step 2. Yeah! Step 3. Step 4. Oh! Step 5. Woohoo! Way to go! You put together a different order that works. I wonder if there's another way to do it. Play again, or step out other things we like to do.